Okay, we're looking at 3.1.9. And first thing that we do is we make sure that we get a 1 in the coefficient of the x cubed place right there. So we were starting off with 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 0. But then after we divide both sides by 2, we end up with this here. From there, we want to eliminate the x squared coefficient. So we can make this substitution. X is going to be y minus a over 3. And remember, we're in the form of x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus c. So this a here, we definitely want to be 0. So in order to do that, we can make this substitution, and remember we're talking about this a over here. So this a is 3/2. And so we're talking about this one right here. So negative 3/2 over 3. And we end up with this right here. So we make that substitution, make all these x values. So we're talking about this x value is here, this x value here, this x value here. Make that substitution, and sure enough, the squared term goes away. So here's all the work done. Keep going, and actually we can find a bit of a shortcut. Usually we have to go through and find, use the equation on page number, let's see what number. Usually we have to use the equation on page number 46, the z cubed equation. But actually we don't need to do that right now because we can find these y values so easily. So here they are. And we can keep going, yeah? So from there, we can use the equation on page 47. So page 47. And we can either use the standard equation, what we normally use, xi equals zi minus p over 3zi minus a over 3. Or we can just go straight to xi equals yi minus a over 3. And again, this a is this a right here. Okay. Or you can think of it as just this a, which is 3/2. Okay, so we are here now, and all we have to do is plug in all 3 of these y values into the yi, and then get the x1, x2, x3. And here we go. Here's our 3 answers. So this one, and this one. And this checks out with the back of the book because this is omega cubed. This is, what is this? This is omega, and this is omega squared. All right.